Hello guys, today we're going to be attempting to install Windows Whistler in a virtual machine. Now you can see I have a Windows Whistler VM up first. So first of all we're going to start with Windows Whistler build 2202. Now I just got to grab the ISO for that because I was experimenting. So there's the ISO. I have the files downloaded. We're going to be doing four. We're going to be doing 2002, 2410, 2419 and 2446. They're all builds of Windows Whistler code. Basically Windows Whistler was a code build for Windows XP. So first of all we're going to open this one. Now first you can see it says Windows 2000 set up at the front. At the start, I mean, not at the front, at the top. So we're going to try this out. Hopefully it boots. Okay, we blue screen. That's interesting. First thing in it, already screwed over. Let's try this again. Yep, no, this one doesn't work. We're inaccessible boot device. So this one clearly doesn't want to boot. So we're going to go with, we're going to do 2410 this time. 2410 is there. So we're going to boot from 2410. But first we need to do some BIOS hackery. We need to change the date in the BIOS basically. Our second date engages. Oh, I missed it. We're going to have to restart it and try again. Missed it. You're going to have to hold the F2 down on. There we go, we're in. Right, excuse the beeping. Okay, so the build 2010. That is long past. Whoosh, yeah, that is long past the date. So because I was experimenting with this build earlier. So the BIOS date needs to be 12, 10, 2000. Okay, so we're gonna exit saving changes and boot this. This might work. Honestly, I hope this one works. This is going to be an issue if they don't work. Yeah. This might work. I'm going to pause the recording here. Wait and see if this works. If it doesn't work within the next minute or two, I'm going to call it off. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, guys. Nothing's happened, so we're gonna shut the VM down and we're gonna do the next build, which is build 2419. Windows Whistler sucks. Build 2419. The next build would be the last build, 2446. Okay, we're gonna test out this build with Windows Whistler. Oh, hey, it's booting into setup. Wait, build 2419. This isn't gonna work. I set the BIOS date wrong. I'm gonna have to restart the guest. Missed it. Oh, missed it again. Ah, it's not going to work because I keep screwing it over. Oh, missed it again. We'll try it. We'll see if it works. I'm not sure if it will work. It probably won't. Sam notification. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And continue. I definitely agree to that. Format the file system. Oh no. This might take a few minutes to copy. It normally goes past pretty quick. I've done these, but I've tested these out all before in a virtual machine because, oh god, no, I've tested these out. I had another VM that I tested these in, and they couldn't detect it either. So I'm really not sure if it screws up. Let me reboot the computer real quick. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. Oh my fellas. Why did that happen? Oh, it's starting Windows. Windows Whistler. Maybe this works, or maybe it screws over hard. Aha! Mouse. Okay, it's installing devices. Something when I was testing in a VM it could fail to do very quickly. Ooh, installing devices still. Let me pull up that notepad document because I'm probably going to need that in a minute, aren't I? Yeah, I need that. It's got the 2419 build key on it. So I'm going to try that out. Snap it with OBS, please. Thank you. I'm going to just let that boot up. A few moments later. This is boring as hell. I will be back when some progress is actually made. Alright, we have Windows Whistler Professional Setup. That's interesting. Okay, that thinks I'm in the United States. It's fine, I don't really care. I can't spell, can I? Organization. Fine. Popcorn 8. Yay! Okay, we got the key next. So you guys are not seeing my key. Okay, that worked. I am back. I think. Yep, the recording's going. Computer name. Oh, my VM isn't working, is it? We'll call it Coin Popcorn 8. Can I call it Coin Pop Whistler? I'm sorry if I spelled Whistler wrong, mate. Is that too long? No, that's not too long. I find it interesting. Okay. This is fun. Okay, so next we have this one. So we have the network setup screen. So we'll go next. Oh no. Speed up, speed up. So this build is 2419. Why is my luck better when I'm recording? Because earlier it wasn't booting at all. A few moments later. Okay, go! I'll finish copying files. It might give me an error code. Also, I got a 1440p monitor. Nice. A nice 1440p monitor right here on my desk. I will be pausing this here, and I will be with you guys when we're at the next screen. Okay, we're installing start menu. It seems we have hit an error. Say yes. Oh, okay, we've got the log, and now we're going to tap close. Oh, was that a mistake? Probably. And starting Windows. I'm glad that doesn't exist. Microsoft codename Whistler. I have audio, you don't. Oh. Yes. That's fine with me. I know, there's no point in installing drivers. This video will take forever if I install drivers as well. Woo! Oh, it's just the Windows 2000. I think that's still... Oh, hi. Nice. Welcome to Microsoft Windows. I'm Merlin. I don't need you, but okay. If you want. No, please remind me. No. Next. Yo, I don't have to create an account. It's working. Ooh, that's a weird. Why does it say? Oh yeah, because okay, that makes sense. Compile Whistler. Gee, nice. Whoa. This kind of looks like XP. It's got the XP style icons and stuff, but then doesn't have some other stuff. Let's see what let's see what graphics options they stripped from the system, and what they fit and what they kept. Change the computer's theme. Themes. Oh, that sends you to the internet connection wizard. Yes. Desktops. What desktops do we have? Oh, there is Bliss. Nice. What about screensaver? There is 3D Flowerbox. Preview. Yeah, I like that screensaver. Nothing happens. 3D flying objects. Yo. Yo. Yo, that one's really cool. Nice. Okay, so yeah. 2419. Let's see what the Winver says. What programs? Accessories. Games. Pinball. Nice. Free sale. Nice. Volume control. Yeah, volume control, nice. CD player, nice. How is that entertainment? Communications, hyper terminal, remote desktop. Kind of looks like the Mac OS wizard. On-screen keyboard. Oh wait. Okay, that's sick. the stuff. Yeah, there you go. That's sick. Spits. They don't react like they do in the new version of Windows. Okay, that's fine. Right. This is an interesting build of Windows. Wait, let's see what it says. It thinks it's Windows 2000. That is nuts. Advanced. No, it looks like 95 now, kind of. Yee, boys. Okay, next of all, we're going to try the next build, which is build 2446. This one I'll just show you on the desktop because the setup process is literally the same as every other build's setup process. So I'm going to just show you this one on the desktop. Alright, so guys, I did try the other build. It just kept blue screening. So I'm going to leave it here for this video. I'll try again later, maybe, if I feel like it. And yeah, they've got everything. So I will be oh, nice. Windows 2. Why is that still here? It looks a lot like Windows 2000 now. That's fine. Right, I will be leaving it here. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, no, actually, stop. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, have something to say, leave a comment. Want to see more? Subscribe!